Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Sopiguard. They sent me this special textured leather sand white skin. That's going to look really, really bold on my Google Pixel Fold. All the information to purchase this skin will be down below in the description area. This specific skin will only cost you $10.99. But please, hit the link that will send you on over to the Sopiguard website so you can check out all the other skins. Huge catalog, different textures, different colors, patterns. Sopiguard has it going on when it comes to giving a little extra sum to your Google Pixel Fold. Now, over to my left, what comes in the envelope is the Sopiguard microcloth with the sterile alcohol prep pad, and you can see that beautiful, beautiful leather sand white skin. Plus, I use a little rubber mat there that's going to help keep my Google Pixel Fold in place while I'm doing the skin install. And I will be using a blow dryer. Constantly move the blow dryer around, never letting the heat just sit in one area of the phone. That can damage your phone, and it will damage your skin, but more importantly, the phone. So constantly move that around. Make sure that you do the skin install when you have time, when you have a quiet moment, because you really want to take your time and enjoy the process. And with that, what I'm going to do is speed up the video, add some music for your enjoyment, and then we'll get a good look at the skin when it's all said and done.
Thanks for hanging in there, man. I know that took a little bit of time. Thank God for being able to speed up the video. Huge shout out to Sopiguard. Now, typically I install skins that only cover the back area and camera area. I don't typically do full coverage skins, but this is what Sopiguard sent me, and I gotta tell you, I'm glad they did. I need to do this type of skin more often as far as the full coverage. This is good training for me. Really, really is. The skin does overlap into the inner bezel just a little bit. I am pretty darn close to having these areas perfect. Now, if I open up my Google Pixel Fold, you can see some areas there that I still need to heat up, soften up that skin, and it'll smooth out those areas. But it's looking really good. It overlaps right in here as well. But sporting a case is what I would suggest. I know a lot of you want to go naked. This does have some grip, some really good grip. But I'm not going to go naked. I do have a Ghost Tech case that I've been using. Got this clear back here. And I will leave a link for this case down below in the description area. That's a frosted clear case, the Covert 6 from Ghost Tech with the Sopiguard leather sand white skin, and that just looks really, really good. It really does. Wow. Yeah, having a case press up against the skin on the back here, that helps with the sticking process. Same with the frame here. If I take it off, yeah, I gotta soften up that area. And that helps soften up the skin so you don't have any wrinkles. Let me see if I can take off the back. Gosh, I don't want to do that. I'll peel up this. There we go. Oh, okay, very nice. Yeah, it's gotta be heated up right in here too. All right. Will you let me know your thoughts on the leather sand white skin from Sopiguard? But I gotta tell you, man, this looks dope. This is just beautiful, sexy, bold. Yeah, I'm digging it. I'm definitely digging it. Thanks for watching. Really do appreciate you hanging out with me during the process. Again, all the information down below in the description area. That's it, folks. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I'm out.